Giving you my heart and all that is within, and lay it all down for the sake of you, my king. Giving you my dreams, laying down my rights, giving up my pride for the promise of new life. And I surrender all to you, all to you. And I surrender all to you, all to you. Giving you my heart and all that is within, and lay it all down.
Oh, ano girl? May tumawag na ba?
Eto, hanggang ngayon, waiting pa rin. Eh, lahat kasi sila, pare-pareha lang sinasabi. Purong we will call you, we will call you, we will call you. Eh, wala naman hanggang ngayon.
Ay nako, alam mo namang ganyan ang mga kampanya eh. Huwag mo na kasing asahan ang mga pinag-a-applyan mo na yan. Pero ito, kung papatulan mo itong inaalok ko sa'yo, solve lahat problema mo.
Anong inaalok?
Ay nako. Naalala mo ba girl yung si Walid? Yung Arabong ubod ng yaman? Kung magpalit nyo ng kotse, kala mo kung nagbibihis ng damit. Sa sobrang yaman, di niya alam kung anong gagawin niya sa pera niya. Isang gabi lang, matatapos lahat ang problema mo.
Ay, ikaw Rodrigo, tigil-tigilan mo ako ah. Alam ko kung anong ibig mo sabihin. Ayoko.
Anong Rodrigo? Roxy.
Roxy. Rodrigo ka pa rin?
He? Okay. So, umpisa lang yun, girl. Pag masanay ka, okay yun. Alam ko mahirap yun sa umpisa.
Ayoko nga.
Pero, hindi, girl. Okay yun.
Ayoko.
Sige na, girl. Minsan lang naman yun. Pag matapos mo na yun, okay na ang problema mo. Solve na.
Roxy. Ano akala mo sa akin?
Hoy, girl! Hindi tamang panahon ito para mag-inarte. Gamitin mo ang utak mo. Utak!
Hello, Ma!
Anak, kamusta ka na dyan? Ang tagal mo nang hindi tumatawag ah. Nag-alala kami sa'yo.
Pasensya na po, Ma. Wala kasi akong ang ibig ko sabihin, busy lang po kasi talaga sa trabaho, Ma.
Baka sa sobrang pagtatrabaho mo dyan napabayaan mo na ang sarili mo ah. Anak, ang vitamins mo, huwag mong kalimutan. At dapat, ang mga kinakain mo, masustansya ha? Kumakain ka ba ngayon, anak?
Oo, Ma.
Oh, anong niluto mo?
Kare-kare po, Ma, tsaka nagluto din po ako ng paella.
Anak, may sasabihin pala ako sa'yo. Huwag kang mabibigla ha.
Bakit po, Ma? Anong nangyari?
Si papa mo na ospital.
Ano? Bakit?
Nagsusuka kasi at nagtatayo ng dugo. Maraming test kailangan gawin ng doktor. Kailangan ng malaking pera, anak. Mayroon ka ba dyan?
Sige. Sige, Ma. Huwag kang mag-alala. Magpapadala ako.
Salamat, anak ha. Paano na lang kami kung wala ka? Salamat, anak ha. Salamat.
Bayad sa bahay. Bayad sa bahay. Open the door. Open the door, Aliyah. Open the door. Tingnan ito, Aliyah. Ikaw ba na? Aliyah. 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 Open the door. Aliyah. Aliyah.
Hoy, girl! Hindi tamang panahon ito para maging arte. Gamitin mo ang utak mo. Utak!
Hello, Rox. Payag na ako. Puntahan ko na si Walid.
Of a life I can't be left behind. No one else will do. I will take hold of you. I need you, Jesus. I need you, Jesus. Trust in you. I need you, Jesus, to come to my rescue. Where else can I go? There's no other name by which I am saved. Capture me with grace. I will follow you. is yours for life. I need your hand in mine. No one else will do. Lord, I put my trust in you. I need you, Jesus. Come to my rescue. Where else can I go? There's no other name by which I am saved. Oh, capture me with grace. I will follow you. I will follow you. This world has nothing for me. I will follow you. This world has nothing for me. I need you, Jesus. Come to my rescue.
Hello?
Congratulations, Aliyah. You're now hired as an operation assistant.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so we're gonna be expecting you on Monday.
Alright, sir. I'll be right here first thing in the morning. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Your attention please. The train to Genoa will arrive at Genoa.
We live in a dream. If we really think everything's alright, yeah. This world is in need, crying out to be freed. We gotta shed some light, oh, teach the world to smile. And the angels sing, feel the breath of God. And the parrot breathes, it's time to come together.
this time you will have your own child. In this time you will be singing in front. In this time you will be going to Canada. In this time you will be going to Qatar. In this time you will be going to Singapore. In this time, but nobody can beat that time because God made me. In this time, see what I'm doing.
Aliyah, can I speak with you for a few minutes? Aliyah, kaya kita pinatawag dahil meron kang dapat malaman. Nakikita ko kung paano ka magtrabaho at masasabi kong maganda at kahanga-hanga ang performance mo. As a matter of fact, mataas ang grado mo sa evaluation. Indeed, you're one of the best employees that we have for the record. Pero, huwag mo sanang mamasamain. Kailangan kitang paalisin. Kailangan kitang paalisin. Kailangan kitang paalisin.
Sir? Ano pong ibig niyong sabihin? You mean, I'm terminated?
Aliyah, believe me when I say that you're doing a great job and we highly appreciate that. However, I'm sorry, you have to leave your position and you have to leave this place. We love you, Aliyah, and everyone does. However, we have to let you go.
I'm sorry, but I don't understand. With all due respect, sir, but what you're saying is so ironic. You're telling me that I'm doing a great job, but you're asking me to leave? Why? Did I do anything wrong?
Nothing. Nothing at all. Wala.
But why? Why? Why?
Because we have a branch opening in Dubai World Trade Center and I'm asking you to leave this place because I want to assign you there, but not as an operations assistant anymore, but as a branch operations supervisor. Congratulations, Aliyah. You are promoted. You are promoted. You are promoted. You are promoted.
Oh, listen, this is what God is saying. For I know the plans I have for you. He said, I know just what you're going through. Yes. So when you can't see what tomorrow holds, and yesterday is through, remember, I know the plans I
Parang
have.
ayaw mo yatang maniwala. Mainit-init pa ang offer letter ko. Kasing init ng kaping to. Kung ito ay pipirmahan mo.
And you, and you, and you, and see, I know just what you're going through. Oh, yes, I do. So when you can't see what tomorrow holds, and yesterday is through, remember, I know the plans I have for you. And here's the plan. This is what he said. Oh, to give you hope for tomorrow, joy for your sorrow, strength for everything you go through. He said, I'll give you hope for tomorrow, joy for your sorrow, strength for everything you go through. He said, I'm gonna give you hope for tomorrow, joy for your sorrow, strength for everything you go through. Remember, I know the plans I have.
Good morning, Ma. Kamusta po? Kamusta po kayo dyan? Eh, si Papa, kamusta? Eto, kumakain, nagpapalakas. Kasi may month-end presentation kami mamaya. Kaya, alam mo na. Pero, wala naman po akong dapat kabahan, Ma, kasi na-meet naman po namin yung target namin. By the grace of God. O kailan ang graduation niya? Sana nandyan ako, no? Ma, nagpadala na nga po pala ako ng pera sa Western Union, ha? Ito nga po pala yung MTCN number. 21 798 1372. Okay, sige ma, hindi na po ako magtatagal ha, kasi kailangan ko kailangan ko pang magbihis dahil kailangan ko mag-early dun sa sa office kasi may presentation nga. Okay, sige. Bye-bye po. I love you, ma. Okay, God bless. Okay, bye-bye.
Pagod na ako. Alam mo, buhay na. Ano bang gagawin ko? Buhay na.
Aliyah, kaya kita pinatawag dahil meron kang dapat malaman. Aliyah, kaya kita pinatawag dahil meron kang... Aliyah. Aliyah, kaya pala kita pinatawag dahil ikaw ang tumatawag. Nothing.
Ulit. Kinakabahan naman ako sasabihin niyo, ma. Sasabihin. Mali. Action.
Pagod na ako. Ano bang buhay ito?
Huwag mo na kasing asahan yung mga kampanyang pinag-a-applyan mo na yan. Pero, kung ako sa'yo, patulan mo na tong
Ay.
Naalala mo yung... Nawawala ako. Ay. Girl, naalala mo ba yung si Walid? Yung Arabong ubod ng yaman? Kung makapagpalit yun ng kutsi, kayang-kaya niyang palitan yun kahit isang araw.
Isang araw? Anong isang araw? Mali. Ulit.
Girl, naalala mo yung si Walid? Yung Arabong ubod ng yaman? Kung kala mo kung magpalit yung ng damit, parang Hindi, kung magpalitin ng kutsi, parang damit eh. Hoy! Hindi tamang panahon to para mag-another girl.
Ay, bilibit ang dila. Ulit.